Alright, so what is up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. The last video was about a little slight tour of my desk setup for early 2018, but this time I actually have an unboxing for you, and it is the Panasonic LUMIX G7. But enough of the introduction, let's get into the video. So what you're looking at right now is the LUMIX G7 made by Panasonic. Now I got this camera because I wanted an actual upgrade from my iPhone 8 Plus. Now it is a very good recording device, don't get me wrong, but I actually wanted a dedicated camera for YouTube and for my videos. I just wanted that, I don't know, videographer feel. I haven't gotten my mic or my tripod yet, therefore it will not be in use anytime soon, but once I get all the rest of my gear, it will be up and running. Now I did get this at a discounted price at around $597, but that's only because it was on sale on Amazon. As of right now, it is back up to $797, so if you didn't get it, a couple weeks ago, you kind of missed out on that deal. But enough of the pricing, and that's why I got it. Let's get into the actual unboxing. So up front, you see all the attachments that you can put on if you want to. They are optional accessories, flash, mic, remote control, battery pack, and an adapter for like other lenses. Got the paperwork, some plastic, the actual DVD. I'm guessing the quick start guide maybe to show you. Yeah, it's the owner's manual to show you how to use it. Read this. I will be reading this because there's a lot of buttons on this camera that I have no idea what they're used for. All right, so under here, yep, we got the camera, the lens, and also I'm guessing the adapter and battery pack. So let's get the boring stuff out of the way first. Here is the charging pack for the battery. The wire, USB to, I'm guessing, AV, I think that is, or HDMI. I think that's the AV cable. And then we have the actual battery pack. Now the AV cable is used to connect it to the computer whenever you want to take the photos off of your camera. Here we have the lens. This did come with the 14 to 42, if I'm not mistaken, lens, kit lens. 3.5 aperture to 5.6. And then we have a lens cover, which is used to block out the sun if you're outside shooting, so there's no there's no glare on the lens while you're filming. And under here we have what we're all here for, what you all came here for, the camera. And wow, it is surprisingly light actually. It looks a lot heavier, but this thing is actually really light. I think this is a plastic body from what it feels like. Maybe a little bit of metal in there. It actually looks huge on camera, but honestly in real life it's not that big. Mostly because it is a mirrorless camera, so it's not a DSLR. Very good design. I love the color. This gray, it's dark gray color with nice rubberized texture on the grips. The buttons are really nicely finished. Metallic, all your options. 5 function buttons, flash, stereo speakers, and an articulating LCD screen with a optical viewfinder. It's not optical, it's actually electronic because there's no lens. Excuse me, not lens. There's no mirror, so it is electronically controlled. Yeah, overall, I like the build quality. It looks really good. As you see right here, this is where the HDMI goes, all your connectors for the remote control. And then on the other side, I believe, is the microphone jack. Right behind this little mic flap right here. And in order to get the flash up, I think you press this button right here. And there's your flash. Alright guys, that just about wraps it up for this unboxing video. If you did like it, leave a comment down below, hit the like button, and do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.